Hi guys, today we're going to be making fried chicken and I'll show you how to make it. Alright, so first get these seeds out of here. It's been a long time since I made a video. The reason I haven't made a video in a long time is because of that I don't know what to do, and I one time made it so I know what I'm doing. Ooh. And you should also ask a parent to help you if you're a kid watching this video. Anyways, so what should I add next? 2, 1. So next we're gonna add some turmeric powder. Alright. Hey cameraman, is this enough?
Yes.
Alright. Now we're gonna add some chili powder. Alright. Whew, I was so excited to make this video, guys. I just don't know what to say. Then now we're gonna add some garlic. Oh. That's a lot. It is going to add garam masala. Only a little bit of it. Oh. Right, now I need some salt. I keep forgetting what I was going to add. Do not know why. Last time when I was making this, we forgot one thing. We forgot, is that too much salt? Be careful, because I added too much salt into this. Which is not. I washed my hand just now, and now, so you have to wash your hand after you put the ingredients, because your fingers are going to be dirty. So you wash your hands, then you mix it with your hands really good. You rub all the masalas in. I wonder, no? I hope this video gets a lot of likes and views. So if you're there, why don't you like the button? I'm just copying other people who make YouTube channels, if you didn't know. Just see them always saying that. So why did I not say it? How about that? While I cut the video because we forgot to put some pepper in it. I think we finished everything. I hope so. And then when we're finished mixing, we're gonna put this into. So before we put it in the egg yolk, we have to marinate it first. I'll see you when it's finished. I'll put this on the plate actually. Alright. Well, looks like I had to cover it. Definitely figure out by myself. Anyways, alright. I'll see you when it's over. Well, we didn't marinate it for that long, but we do have to get the oil ready. So I maybe not leave it there. Get the oil ready. So cameraman up to there, right? Cameraman?
Mm-hmm.
This is a lot of oil. Come here, cameraman. With this thing, we're gonna mix the eggs. I would normally rather mix both of them in. And any kids that's watching, if you do not want to eat this because of the egg yolks and egg, don't worry. It's the egg won't do anything to it. We're just doing it so that we can put the breadcrumbs on. The egg won't even do a flavor for it. Well.
Mm-hmm.
All right. The oil is still heating up, but while it's heating up, we can get our chicken ready. First, wrap it around the egg yolk. Now, I don't know what to do with the bone. I don't know how KFC does it. Alright, so then you just wrap it in some breadcrumbs. Might be enough. And one piece. I think it's enough. I don't know. Try to put in all the breadcrumbs on it so that it turns into fried chicken. Alright. This is going to take a while, you know that? No. Alright. You should ask a parent for this. I do not know why I should be doing this. I shouldn't be doing this. Doesn't feel that bad. You still ask your parents to do this if there's a kid watching this video. So guys, we're gonna let this cook because we won't be able to fit that in. You may be seeing that there's space. Let's just put 2 in there, all right? And we're just gonna leave it there. And me and the cameraman is still going to be here because we have to turn this the other side. So the way we're going to turn this is we're going to slightly turn it like that. Alright, so we're finished putting it into the oil. Now you have to be very careful with this part. Grab it here, put it into the tissue, the paper towels, it's in a bowl. The reason we have to put it into the paper towels is so that the oil can get off the... Alright. So after you make your chicken, you have to wait a while so that it doesn't burn your hands. I've tried this before because I made it before, but I never tried it with garlic. What was that? Ooh. Now we're gonna taste this with garlic. It is so tasty. You gotta make this, bro. Why did I say bro? This is actually really good. Alright. That's how you make